This is a basement.
I'm going to go to the backhoe. You can throw rocks.
Sawyer's playing in rocks. What you doing, buddy? You like Nanny's new backyard? You're throwing rocks? They just dug all them out and you're throwing them back in? You like Nanny's new backyard? Do you like this yard?
Whoa.
You're not going to talk to me, are you? You think you're going to like it out here? Yeah. You just want to play in dirt. What's this over here? What is that?
Nanny, be careful. Backhoe.
What is that? Not throwing rocks. Stop.